AI can do really cool stuff for us. But typically, we have to be very specific with what we ask it to do, and supervise what it actually does. Well, that's all changing with Agentic AI. And wouldn't it be nice to know how? Agentic AI doesn't just perform specific actions, but can use memory, planning, collaboration, and problem-solving to achieve entire goals. Oh, and it can do it completely autonomously. It can navigate complex tasks, adapt and iterate strategies, and solve problems in a way that mimics human behavior. In other words, it actively works with us to improve our lives. Suppose, for example, that we wanted to book a travel reservation. With a goal and budget in mind, Agentic AI independently compares, optimizes, and orchestrates booking your flight, ground transportation, lodging, and activities across many data sources and tools, and even collaborates with subagents. It puts together an itinerary that checks all the boxes completely by itself, just like a human travel agent would. Just consider the opportunities of deploying such a fleet of intelligent, goal-driven critical thinkers and problem solvers. And while Agentic AI is still an emerging technology, it's already top of mind of governments, businesses, and organizations because it can dramatically change, improve, and optimize the way we live and work. So if you were unsure of how Agentic AI can independently help us complete tasks, now you know.